90-90 hip lift with hip shift from the Postural Restoration Institute. Probably the most powerful exercise out there. It is unlikely that you are going to get this perfect because there are so many ways that the body is going to try and escape. You don't need to get it perfect in order to get a lot out of it, but the better you can get it, the more you're going to get out of it. So let's talk about some of the most common cheats. Number one, the biggest goal of this is repositioning the diaphragm. So you need to focus on an exhale, complete exhale, full exhale, long exhale. You need to suffer. And then when you have exhaled completely, it would be awesome if you could hold it for 1, 2, 3 seconds. The exhale needs to be complete. Number two, the inhale. Go easy. You need to maintain that ab wall tone when you go to breathe in. If you lose that and you pull in with your neck and shoulders, you're going to lose the positioning of the diaphragm. You're going to get a tight head, neck, shoulders. Go easy on your inhale. And when you do inhale, you should feel that expansion through back body, side body. If you're doing a left pullback, you should feel that right upper lobe expand, but you're not getting elevation, it is expansion. Number three, often we get you to do a reach with serratus. That is not a rounding, it's a reach from here to try to help anchor those ribs down. I don't want you to add that in if you get a bunch of neck tension. If it adds value, great, but if you're getting a bunch of neck tension, having a hard time relaxing your neck, don't worry about the reach. 4, we do want you to use your hammies to float your pelvis off the ground. Your feet need to be on the wall for this. We do not want you pushing too much into the wall. You're just getting the sensory input from the bottom of your feet. The left heel, the right arch and big toe are the areas that we really want sensory input, but resist the urge to push into the wall, which will turn on your quads and hip flexors. We want more of a pull. So be more of a puller to get the hammies than a pusher to get the quad. Number 5, when you float your pelvis off the ground, it doesn't need to be really high. I want you grounding and feeling this posterior mediastinum, the back body. That sensory input is really important for turning muscles on and off and getting that effect that we want. You need to be up high enough that you can do your hip shift, usually on that left side, but you want it not so high that you don't feel the input into your back. Number 6, when you do your hip shift back on that left side, make sure you don't hike your hip up. If the hip doesn't have that biomechanical prerequisite to pull back, then it might escape by coming up. It's not really a hip pullback, that is, or a hip shift, that's a hip hike. Try not to hike the hip. Number 7, we always have a ball, small ball, or something between your knees for you to squeeze. One of the problems is when people get a ball that is too big. If the object between the knees is too big, when you do your pullback, you're not going to be able to get that left hemipelvis into AFIR. It is out here and we need to bring it into acetabular-femoral internal rotation. Shifting the right knee forward, the left knee back, getting that hip shift, this pull back on the left side. Hi everyone. So if you liked this video and you want more free routines, classes, information on mobility and physical longevity, go to movement101.ca or click the first link below. And if you like videos like this and you want more, hit like, click subscribe, or make a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. I love hearing about what you want more of. Thanks for watching.